Sir, actually, very good afternoon to one and all the uh, delegates, sir. My presentation is on impact on e-banking on consumer satisfaction, sir. Presentation by Amit Kumar Reddy and Dr. Meghraj B. I would like to present with some introductions, bank e-banking services to customers, then types of banking. It includes mobile banking, then objectives of the studies, findings, and finally, I want to go to with conclusion, sir. And I hope so that I'm going to start, sir. Everything is audible. Everyone is audible, sir. I'm going to start with the introduction, sir. Okay. Consumer satisfaction is a measure of how products and services supplied by a company met or surpass consumer expectations here. Okay, consumer satisfaction is also defined as the number of customers or percentage of total consumers whose reported experience with the firm, its product or its services. Consumer is anyhow supreme in all the angles, sir. Even in banking sectors, the bankers are providing services to the customers, and case of e-banking services, how the bankers are bound to meet the customer satisfaction, that is very important. And here another yet another definition for customer satisfactions regarding the e-banking services is it refers to extent of which customers are
Amit, your voice is
happy or breaking.
breaking.
not with the services
Mr.
rendered
Amit,
by the
your
bankers,
voice is
with the
breaking.
products and the services. Wide range of products and services are being offered by the bankers. How important the bankers are. Ah, sir. Now it is audible, sir. Please. Okay.
Audible, but
Hello, sir.
your voice is breaking.
Hello, sir. Is it audible, sir?
Audible, but your voice is breaking.
Hello, sir. Ah, sir.
Hello, hello, Amit. You
Okay,
can
sir. I
listen
am
me.
trying, sir. Actually, I am reach.
ठीक है.
Okay, sir. I am trying to reach.
Okay. You can
Ah, sir. Ah, sir.
network problem is there.
Okay, I am very clear about your voice, sir. But my voice is not audible. I think. Okay.
Yeah, voice is audible, but your presentation is breakable.
Now near to the network only, sir. It's showing clear. But okay, sir. Okay. I am trying, sir. Shall I try, sir? Then. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir. That's what we were discussing about the e-banking services provided by the customers. How important this service is, especially in the period of pandemic or COVID period. How the customers are accessing the bank services at home and in fingertips by using the electronic gadgets, and the customers are whether satisfied or not. This must be overviewed actually in this study, sir. Okay, and how technology is making tremendous impact upon service companies in general, and the financial services sector is no expectations. The application of information and communication technology concepts, techniques, policies, and implementation strategies to banking service has become a subject of fundamentals importance and concerns to all banks, and indeed a prerequisite for local and global competitiveness. Now, being it's an open economy, the bankers are not just competing at a one particular region, they are open up to global economy. They has to reach all categories of customers through electronized services. That's what I want to overview from this study. And here are the banking services to the customers. Let me see what are those banking services the bankers are providing to the customers. Internet banking, automatic teller machines, smart cards. It includes e-commerce, e-finance, e-money, e-banking, internet banking, mobile banking, and other electronic delivery channels. Okay, like this, we have different smart cards are also provided, electronic fund transfers. These are the common transactions. Even an unlaying persons can operate in such a way. The e-technology, the technologies are quite dominating and very essential in the part of customers, where the bankers need to make access to the customers to operate their banking services at fingertips and with using the electronic gadgets. Sir. And let's see types of e-bankings we have commonly: ATM, internet banking, then point of sales. As if you know what is a point of sales, it's nothing but reaching to the customers to their services through electronized services. Then mobile banking is a very prominent and very significant nowadays, as we all know that in mobile we can operate like global. transactions. In such a way, we are accessing through the wide variety of wide use of technology like 4G technologies. Now 5G is also available. Through that, we can even access entire banking, not only banking, entire financial services through the mobile banking, sir. Okay. Then my objective of the study itself is to study and identify e-banking services adopted by Indian banks, how the e-banking services are adopting and how customers are accessing, what the gap between the banker services and the customers, that gap must be identified. To study the customer satisfaction level about the e-banking, just providing e-banking is not important. Here, how the customers are ready to access it, how whether the customers are satisfied with the services, whether all the services rendered through electronic banking is satisfactory, if they are accessible or not accessible, all the problems must be studied. What I want to just specify in this article, sir. Then findings is the level of usefulness of e-banking services significantly less for rural banking, as if you know, in the rural area, being the much more importance of technology, but it has to reach to rural area, and the peoples in rural area must access the e-banking services. What the gap is there that must be studied. Okay, in it is the found that time saving and less cost tend to influence the banking customers. Yes, of course, e-banking saves a lot of cost, and it includes the transportation cost, traveling cost. Okay, then even it also satisfy with the level of risk to operate the offline transactions, and in all the manner the customers can satisfy. Rural, semi-urban and urban areas respondent have viewed that e-banking as a convenient and easy. Now even the rural peoples are also expecting the e-banking is very convenient, and they are also even ready to, even they are middle level educated peoples, lower level educated peoples, but they are very fast to access the e-banking and also making utilize it properly in proper manner. And intelligent banking is a very important for present and also for the future development for bank customers. And importance of internet banking is significant related to their age, education. Of course, it is influenced with some other factors like age factor, education factor, occupation factor, income factor. All are the various factors upon which it has been influenced the operation of e-banking, sir. Then finally, I want to conclude that the study aimed to examine the impact of e-banking service quality on customer satisfaction in the Lebanon's banking sector. Similar studies had been done for other even countries, and markets also have just gone through that. As we've shown, it is a literate review. However, none to the author's knowledge has been done in the Lebanon's banking. Of course, Lebanon's banking sector is a very good study under which we can come to know the real problems of e-bankings. Okay, and the banking operations and the customer connectivity. Okay, the study anyhow follows the quantitative approach with the survey by distributing among banking clients to remain in the data with analyzing SEM and AMOS. So this is what finally I want to conclude. I have some the literal document through which I have made the article about that e-banking. There is an existence of gap, but that gap has been filled around 60 to 75%. Still, there is a gap existence 20 to 25% to make utilize the e-banking due to some factors. It is unable to access for some peoples, but it must be fulfilled. But it can be done only when we make aware about the customers, and customers must access the banking services. Anyhow, sir, I am very thankful to present my small topic through. I'm unable to share my screens. I think it has anyhow some picturizations and that all. But anyhow, this is what my concept about the e-banking. Thank you very much, sir.